Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your ledger to crypto. Calm. This process allows you to add an extra layer of security to your valuable digital assets. By linking your ledger hardware wallet, you gain greater control and peace of mind over your cryptocurrencies. We will walk through the simple, easy-to-follow steps to get your devices connected and ready for secure transactions, ensuring your crypto is always protected with industry-leading hardware security. Before we dive into the connection process, let's ensure you have everything ready. First, it is crucial to update your Ledger hardware wallet to its most recent firmware version for optimal performance. Next, install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile phone. You will also need the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app or browser extension. Finally, make sure the specific cryptocurrency application, like Ethereum or Chronos, is already installed on your Ledger device. Now, let's proceed with connecting your devices. Begin by opening your Crypto.com DeFi wallet or browser extension. Then, navigate to the Import Wallet or Connect to Ledger option, usually found in the Settings or side menu. Plug your Ledger device into your computer and unlock it using your personal identification number. Choose the desired network and the specific wallet address to import. Finally, confirm the connection directly on your Ledger device to finalize the process. Connecting your Ledger to Crypto.com offers significant advantages for your crypto journey. You gain enhanced security, as every transaction requires physical confirmation on your Ledger device, preventing unauthorized access. This ensures you maintain full self-custody of your private keys, a cornerstone of crypto ownership. You can securely manage over 1,000 tokens across more than 30 blockchains, interacting with decentralized applications with an extra layer of hardware protection, giving you ultimate control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.